Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the Bartram's bass, first described by Bud Freeman in the 1980s. Bud's a UGA ichthyologist, not recognized by science, but more recently being recognized as its own species. Bartram's bass lives in the Savannah River watershed in Georgia mostly, and some in South Carolina. They occupy the Piedmont, Upper Piedmont, and even mountain streams, so these are river fish. Recently got a little bit of recognition in Eastern Fly Fishing magazine. There was an article published in 2014 that highlights the Bartram's bass. I got to take Nick Carter out and he wrote up a little article about it, so check that out. So let's talk about the Bartram's bass from a habitat standpoint. They like streams with moderate current, rocky substrates, and alternating pools and riffles. So it could be said that they like fast-moving water, rapids, shoals, anything where it's going to have a rocky bottom and fast-moving or moving water. They like a lot of cover. They like to feed on crayfish, minnows, and stream invertebrates. They're opportunistic feeders, so if you can catch them when the water has got a nice little bit of clarity and you can find some cover and know that they're in there, you're probably going to be in for some good fishing. If you watch here, you can really see how they ambush their prey. This guy comes right out of the rocks, slow-mo, right in the middle of the screen. There he goes. They're incredibly fast and strong swimmers. They occupy a niche that would be occupied by trout if the water were cool enough in terms of the gradient and the speed of the water and some other aspects of the ecology. So they're a lot of fun to catch. The biggest one, I think the world record is something like 5 pounds. I'd say if you catch a 1, 2, or 3 pound Bartram's bass, you're doing pretty good. They are feisty, aggressive, and beautiful little fish. So having snorkeled around with these guys and knowing a little bit about their habitat, I've really gained a lot of appreciation and respect for them. I like to call them little Savannah River trout bass. So good luck catching those little guys. If you do catch them, be sure to release them so that they'll be there next time you go. Enjoy.